I've never done this before. Hopefully it turns out great. I'm just so in love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be dyeing my eyebrows with Henna brow dye. Originally I was going to go to a professional to do this for me, but the lady that I wanted to do my eyebrows, she's always booked. I've been trying to get an appointment with her since last year. So I just decided to do them myself. I bought all of the products to dye my eyebrows. I'm a little nervous, but honestly, I'm really confident in myself. I feel like I'm gonna do a good job just because I know how I want my eyebrows to look. So I feel like it's really not that hard. I did a lot of research on this. So honestly, I feel like I'll be okay. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. All of the stuff I got from this website called the Brow Goat. This is how their little postcard looks like. Their website is called the Brow Goat and their Instagram is brow.goat. I'll make sure I leave everything in my description box. So I got the Henna brow dye in the shade dark brown. I don't want extremely dark brows. I really just want my eyebrows to be maybe 2, even 3 shades darker, but I don't want them to be jet black because I just feel like it's not going to look natural and I'm going for a natural look. I also got this white paste. I'm going to use the white paste to outline my brows, get them how I want before I fill them in with the Henna brow gel. I also got Henna stain remover. I got this little glass bowl to put the henna in. All right, that's all what I got. So I'm going to do a close-up for you guys before I get started. I'm really excited. I honestly feel like my brows are gonna look good. I have faith in myself. I haven't gotten my eyebrows. Let me just show y'all a close-up so y'all see what I'm talking about. Let me just turn this around. Okay, these are my eyebrows. They're looking a little dark today, darker than usual. I personally, like I said, I like the shape of my eyebrows. I could use some more hair on the tail area, but overall, I like my eyebrows. I just want them to be a tad bit darker. I also have not groomed my eyebrows in over 1.5 years. Before I start, I am going to groom my eyebrows just a little bit. Oh, also, if you guys are wondering why my eyes are red, it's because I got my lashes done yesterday. The fumes from the glue really irritated my eyes, so they're still a little red. Ouch. I just plucked a little bit from my tail area just to get rid of all those stray hairs. What I'm gonna do first is clean off my brows with some alcohol. So I'm using the white paste to outline and shape my brows. I'm also using an angled eyebrow brush to do that. I just got done outlining my brows. This is how I want my brows to be. So hopefully when I apply this henna, it turns out good. I got the Henna brow dye in the shade dark brown because I want a natural brow. I do not want my eyebrows to look very, very black. I just want it to just look natural. I don't know how much I need or anything, but we're just gonna see. I'm gonna start off with this much. And then I'm about to add some water. I added 6 droplets of water. I think I added too much water actually, because it's supposed to be pasty. It's not supposed to be runny. So So I might have to add some more henna. This is how the henna dye looks like. I added more henna just because I felt like I added too much water. It's supposed to be a thick consistency. I'm using another angled eyebrow brush to apply the henna brow dye. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows how I normally would if I was using eyeshadow or an eyebrow pencil. Okay, y'all, here's the first brow. Oh my goodness. I don't want my eyebrows in the front to turn out boxy, so I might not leave the henna dye in the front for 60 minutes, but I know for sure I'm probably gonna leave the rest of the henna dye on the rest of my brow for 60 minutes. I'm just gonna go back in and just add some more henna dye, just in places where I see spaces. I'm gonna leave this dye on for 60 minutes. That's an hour. I'm gonna set my timer for 30 minutes because the brow dye in the front I'm gonna wipe off. I just don't want my eyebrows in the front to look too boxy, and since I've never done this before, I don't want to wipe it off altogether and it looks, excuse me, and it looks bad. Okay, so I set my timer and I will see you guys in 30 minutes. Y'all, it's been about 25 minutes, but I'm getting a little nervous, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe everything off. I don't know what I'm supposed to use to wipe this off. It's really, really hard. Yeah. I guess water. Let's see. Okay. Water does get it off. Wow. Let's do this side first. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. This is hard to wipe off. I thought it was just gonna come off. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe off the white paste first. Look how good I did, you guys. Do you guys see how crisp my brow is? I really did a good job filling my brows in. See, this is too dark. You see? But I still got some of the tint on my brows. But y'all, look how crispy my brow is right now. Y'all, my brows look so good. And I haven't wiped them off yet, so I might be saying something else once I wipe it off. But my brows, just me outlining my brows, I did a great job. I'm gonna use some Q-tips to wipe the rest off. Kind of do that. Now it's coming off. Whoa, you guys. OMG, I'm so scared. Oh, look at my brow. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at my brow. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at my brow right now. This is perfect. Okay, let me take off the other one. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay. OMG. Let's see how this one comes out. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at my brows. What do y'all think? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna wake up like this. These are my brows. These are my brows. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna take one more paper towel and just wipe them off again. So as you guys can see, there's nothing. I did get some henna dye right there, but I just want to make sure all of the henna is off. So I'm just taking a paper towel and there's nothing. Oh my gosh. Do the other side. Nothing, y'all. Wow. I don't know how long these are gonna last. I was reading that henna brow dye lasts up to 6 weeks on the eyebrow hair, and I don't remember how many weeks it'll last on the skin. But honestly, my main goal was just to make my eyebrows darker. That's it. I didn't want them bigger, I didn't want them thicker, I didn't want them longer. I just wanted them darker. Y'all, here are my brows. What do y'all think? Oh my goodness. I cannot believe, I really wasn't expecting my results to be this good. It looks like I went to a professional to get my brows to look like this. I'm just so in love. What the crap? I really tinted my eyebrows exactly how I wanted them. Let me know what y'all think. I almost want to just like go put on some makeup, beat my face a little bit, see how my brows look with concealer, but I'm not gonna do that. But let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And also I will link all of the products that I use down below in my description box, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.